Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a Play Store pending problem. So guys, if you want to download any kind of app in Play Store and facing pending problem, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this, you need to open your settings. After this, you need to click on Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi and connect any Wi-Fi with your phone. So guys, after connecting it, you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again, scroll down, and guys, after this, click on app management and click on app list. And guys, after this, you need to scroll down, and here you need to find Google Play Store. Here is the option of Google Play Store. You need to click here and click on first of all force stop, and after this click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. And guys, after this you need to go back, and you need to open your Play Store, and after this you need to click on your main profile. So guys, after this click on settings and click on about, and here is the option of update Play Store. So guys, you need to update your Play Store, and guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any app in Play Store. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings again, and click on settings and scroll down and click on system, and after this click on reset phone and click on reset Wi-Fi settings, click on reset, and after doing reset you need to go back and click on system update and update your Android phone. So guys, if your phone is not updated, then you need to update it, and after doing update your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any kind of app in your Play Store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.